Okay, today we're gonna make some birds and fun birds for our summer reading program. And I'm gonna use this if you want, it's an option. Marker, permanent marker, and straw. So here's a blank canvas, and we're gonna use some water to, first of all, make sure you water your watercolors because they are watercolor based. It's whatever color you're going to use for your birds. So I'm going to actually make a few small ones. I'm just using water that's in my brush, and you're going to make circles that you can't see because it's just water. And I'm going to use some colors, so I'm going to get some green. As you can see, it's already there. The water makes it very watery. So the more water you have, the watery it gets. So you might want to use another brush if you think it's too watery. I'm just going to use this other one. Get that yellow, put it in there. And get that green too, and mix it. So you can mix two colors, whichever two colors you like. And as you can see, mixes. Makes this really nice light green. If you think it's too watery, again, we can always use another, let it dry, of course, or you can always make sure you use your napkins, and you can always dry it out too if you want to start over again. So like I said, water makes it thinner. And with watercolors, you just have to make sure you're not mixing your colors, because then they get blended with that other color you just used. So make sure you do that. Take all that excess of water. And I'm just gonna leave this one like this. I'm gonna show you another one I thought was really cool to make a little crazy bird. I'm gonna make this one a little bit bigger. I didn't use water first because I really wanted that blue. So I did wanna use, see how I use that? Just pressed it on there and it's darker, but what I want is to put a little bit of this color, purple, and thought it was cool because I want it really, really, really wet. And the reason I'm going to show you right now is because I'm going to use my straw and just blow in it. And you can turn it. Maybe make some crazy hair. But I'm going to just make sure. Maybe the tail or something. I'll show you. You can always make them bigger It's up to you how you want to do it. So I'm just showing you one of the ways. I'm going to make another bird here. I'm going to make them pretty big right here, but I think I'm going to use an orange for this one. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to make them with red on here. And like I said, you can make really watery, which I'm adding a lot of water. There's my straw, it's right there. And I'm just going to that's gonna be my big bird, I guess. I could make another one if I like. Up to you how many you want to do. Oh, there you go. And I'm gonna make a purple one. Should make it right here. I'm going to add some orange to it. Let's see how that color comes out too. It's like a brown almost, huh? And on this one, I could use my napkin and just kind of make some texture. See? I have to let it dry, so I'm gonna let it dry. So as it's drying, I'm gonna make some eyes. I'm actually just gonna make one pair of eyes. And a little piece of paper. Or if you have sticker eyes, you can always use sticker eyes too. I'm gonna put that there. Okay, well, with the marker, I'm going to add a beak. Just gonna trace a bit. I'm not going to trace anything, I just want to make that he does have his long legs. That one I'm not going to trace either. Make a beak. I'm not going to make eyes for this one. I'm just going to make an eye here, eye here. here, looking at the big guy. See, there you go. Make a little beak here. And this one I'm going to add legs too. I'm gonna put one big eye. So I'm gonna make that big eye. I have to let it dry a little bit more. I'm gonna use your orange or your yellow to make the beaks. Nice and colorful. It's okay if it blends, up to you. Going to get the other eye. There you go. A little crazy bird. A little fluffy green. You can always add, if you like, some tails. If you want, you don't have to. Add their wings. Up to you how you want to do it. And there you go. Watercolor birds.